Venkatesh, and I'm visiting Hyderabad. And I'm visiting Hyderabad actually today, and this incident which happened at the Arjikar. So I'm a Telugu person, but I'm from Calcutta. So this Arjikar hospital is just 5 kilometers away from my house in Calcutta, and it's extremely shocking. And I think I really feel a lot of anger seeing this incident. And today, unfortunately, we are celebrating. I think I would call unfortunate celebrating the 78th year of independence, and till date, where the citizens of India aren't safe, especially the women and all the minorities. Because I myself identify as one from the LGBTQI community, so I've seen the amount of discrimination challenges faced by the community members and in women we have been facing, where they are not safe at their own safe spaces, which is to be considered the workspace, their homes. And this young woman, a girl who lost her life, and she was at her duty serving for the citizens, serving for people like us who are and 36 hours of duty and going to rest for 5 minutes causes such incident. And unfortunately, when we see this person, the accused has already a lot of records in the police stations, FIRs filed against him in the previous years by his ex-spouses. So, and there has been no action taken against him, and which resulted in today we could see again the same incident happen. And it's been years. I feel our judiciary works in a very slow pace, where we have been seeing this n number of instances happening from like 12 years ago, the Nirbhaya case, to today this incident. I think there have been thousands of incidents which are happening, but there has been no justice, or there have been extremely delayed justice which is there. So today I think it's good to see people across the nation standing united together and protesting for this particular cause. I think because I feel that as a citizen of India, I strongly condemn that this is not a democratic country for me, and this is not an independent nation where I would celebrate my independence. So yes, we hope that justice here is soon. We get to see some justice for the victim and the family. My condolences with all the loved near and dear ones who have been facing. Yeah, thanks.